validation in pharmaceutical industry. Generally, 4 type validation we will perform in pharmaceutical industry: cleaning validation, process validation, equipment validation, and method validation. Before start analytical method validation, we will understand some basic term. Q2A takes on validation of analytical procedure, and Q2B validation of analytical procedure methodology. Previously, two guidelines coded Q2A and Q2B, which was unified to Q2R1 guideline, which was published on November 2005. Summary of method validation. Method validation is give an information about analytical measurement. Previous information on procedure means we will already do the method validation. So give a information that for analyst, in which is helpful for the analyst because we will already perform the method validation. So we will do all the data for customer requirement, regulatory requirement, which is also requirement ISO 17025. Verify the system suitability for submission and the compendium. It is a documentary evidence, we will know. Before start a method validation, we will also check some prior requirement. System suitability of instrument. Check the qualification and calibration of system. Suitability of material. Check the reference standard and reagent and more, which is useful in our method validation. Suitability of analyst means we will check the training record and qualification record. Suitability of documentation means we have already do the approval protocol as on QA side or pre-established acceptance criteria, which protocol meet as acceptance criteria. Here some why we will do method validation. So we will do some regulatory requirement also. So ICH Q2R1 validation of analytical procedure, text and methodology, and 1225 validation of compendial procedure. Both we will cover in the section. Other pharmacopoeia chapter 1224 transfer analytical procedure, transfer between laboratory to laboratory. Chapter 1225 validation of compendial procedure. Generally the chapter focus on chromatography. 1226 verification of compendial procedure. Method is suitable and time implementation, which cover over 1226 number chapter. 1225 important for method validation. Data element required for validation. Generally 4 type of category we will discuss about that. Category 1 generally apply for preservative API. Category 2 post degradation and quantitative test assay LOD LOQ mostly apply for API. Category 3 apply for formulation plant. Category 4 such case are below table which test might be applied here.